Hello guys. Today we will understand the past transistors. These are very helpful to analyze the big circuits in the circuit design. Let's understand the NMOS first. So, the most in the most of the interview, the question asked like that: why we cannot use NMOS as a to pass the logic one? I'm giving the reason for that. Let's start. Suppose here I have the 5 volt and in gate of the MOS also 5 volt. This is the source and this is the load cap. So initially cap was like discharge 0 volt, fully discharge. So this MOS has the 5 volt as a VGS. Because of that MOS is turned on and some current will flow from the 5 volt to the capacitor like this. And because of that current, capacitor voltage start rising, and this voltage start rising till the MOS is allowed to turn on. So suppose MOS VT is 1 volt, VTH is 1 volt, and then this cap is rising till the 4 volt. That is the gate minus threshold voltage. After 4 volt, this V voltage across the load cannot increase because MOS will turn off. This is the source, so source cannot increase the VT higher than the gate voltage. So MOS source voltage and for NMOS source voltage always VT less than the gate voltage. That's right. So and that's why it lost the 1 VT while charging this. And for another case, suppose that I want to discharge the node from the NMOS. So this is the my NMOS again. Suppose this is the drain and this is the load. And in this case, I am assuming that this cap is already charged to 5 volt and voltage across the gate is 5 volt only. And this is the absolute ground, so it will be 0. In this case, MOS voltage VGS is 5 volt. This is VGS only. So MOS is always turned on. It will never turn off. And because of that, this voltage current starts flowing from 5 volt to ground, and this voltage across the load tap will decreases till the ground. So it's become 0. So that's why it's called like past the 0. This voltage is initially 0 and it now finally it's become 0. So we say that NMOS is good to pass 0. NMOS is good to pass 0. NMOS is good to pass 0. But for the passing high, NMOS is bad to pass high because it lost 1 VT voltage. Suppose someone want to pass the logic high 5 volt to here, but it cannot do these things. Thank you. And in another video, we'll understand the PMOS.